Hello smart viewers, welcome back to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about how to use going to future. The pattern of going to future is subject plus am, is or are plus going to plus verb 1. I'm going to work. You are going to work. He is going to work. She is going to work. It is going to work. We are going to work. They are going to work. The negative form of going to future is subject plus am, is, are plus not plus going to plus verb 1. I'm not going to work. You are not going to work. He is not going to work. She is not going to work. It is not going to work. We are not going to work. They are not going to work. Then the question form is am, is, are plus subject plus going to plus verb 1. Am I going to work? Are you going to work? Is he going to work? Is she going to work? Is it going to work? Are we going to work? Are they going to work? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.